Good evening. Tonight is the 3rd of April 2020 and behind me is the brilliant planet Venus. But tonight something very special is happening because the planet Venus is passing through one of the most beautiful star clusters in the sky, the Pleiades or Seven Sisters in the shoulder of Taurus the Bull. Now when we say that Venus is passing through the Pleiades star cluster, that's really not quite correct, because of course Venus is very much nearer to us and the star cluster an incredibly long way away. To put it in perspective, Venus at the moment is 59 million miles from the Earth. The stars of the Pleiades are about 410 light years away. So when you look up in the sky and see the stars of the Pleiades, you're seeing them as they were 410 years ago. To put it another way, about 410 years ago, the Italian astronomer Galileo and the Elizabethan astronomer Thomas Harriot were both turning their primitive telescopes onto the sky for the very first time. So when you look up and you see the stars of the Seven Sisters, the light you're seeing now left those stars when Galileo and Harriot were first looking at the night sky. 410 light years, the distance of the Pleiades star cluster. Each light year is about 6 million miles. That means that the stars of the Pleiades are 2,460 million miles away. Venus, on the other hand, is a mere 59 million miles away. It's a long way, but nothing compared with the Pleiades or Seven Sisters. So it means that at the moment, when Venus is in the foreground and the Pleiades are behind, that Venus is actually 42 million times closer to us than the stars of the Seven Sisters. Very often we hear people say that a planet is in a particular constellation of stars. As the planets move around the sky, they wander amongst the constellations of the zodiac, and will often say that a particular planet is among the stars of a particular constellation. But again, for the same reason as I've already described, that's actually not correct. The planets are very much in the foreground and the stars are an incredible distance away. The stars are the backdrop as the planets are moving around the sun in the foreground. I hope you have a chance to enjoy Venus passing through the Seven Sisters star cluster. It won't happen again for another 8 years. Enjoy the night sky.